How to use Tameawu Leaf, Leaf of Life, Miracle Leaf to get money. 1. Items you will need. 2. Tameawu leaves, in odd numbers greater than 1. 3. Florida water. 4. A ring that can fit on your left thumb. 5. Money note. 6. White cloth. 7. Red candles. 8. A clean room or environment, with no distractions. Many people ask if the Tameawu leaf is juju. This is something spiritual but not juju or voodoo. It has its own implications when you do things wrong. So be careful to follow the instructions as given below. Spread the white cloth on the ground where you want the activity to take place. Light 4 red candles at the 4 edges of the white cloth. Half fill water in a large size bowl and light the 2 remaining candles and put them in the north and south direction of the bowl. Pour half of the Florida water into the water in the bowl. Get some Tameawu leaves in odd numbers greater than 1. This means that you can pluck 3, 5, 7 or 9 Tameawu leaves. Put the ring and the money note in the water at the same time. Visualize the things you want in your life whilst making a verbal statement about it in a low voice. Once you are done visualizing and making a verbal statement about your desires, take the ring from the water and wear it on your left thumb. Wash your feet with the water containing the Florida water and the Tameawu leaves. Now take the money from the ground and put it inside your wallet, purse or anything you keep your money inside. Importance of following the steps on how to use Tameawu to get money. When you wash your feet with the water from the session you went through, you are literally washing away poverty. The wearing of the ring on your left thumb means you just got married to money and that you and money are couples, partners for life. The talking of the money from the ground signifies how easy you will make money.